everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are doing great. So our today's video is on how to teach number names using DIY worksheets. These worksheets are very easy, which you can easily prepare at home and practice with your child. In my previous videos, I have shared some fun learning way or a playway method to teach number names to your kids. This video is in both languages, Hindi and English. So if you want to watch this in English, continue with this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है. जस्ट गो देयर, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और आप पूरी वीडियो हिंदी में देख पाएंगे, राइट? So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications of our upcoming videos, right? So as you could see here, I have written some numbers here, right? And in the next row I have written the number names, and accordingly I have put the dots. So as you could see here, it's 2, right? So you can tell the child that TWO is two number name of this number 2, and 2 means two things. So child will count as 1 and 2, right? If I take another example, it's 4. So FOUR, 4, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means 4 things. So like this you can teach your child a very basic introduction of number names in worksheet ways, right? So now let's move to our next worksheet. So after this, our first worksheet is about count and match. So Amish, what you are supposed to do, first you have to count these, okay, and then you have to match as per the number names given. Right? So can you count this one? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very nice. So can you find out where is number 5 here? Number name 5? No, I'm asking about the number names. Where is number name 5?
Here.
Yes, can you match it with this one?
Yes.
Nice. Now this 5 you have to match with the number 5 also. Can you match this 5 with the number 5 at this side? Good job. So as you have seen, the first child have to count these circles at this side, and then he have to recognize the number as per the counting done here, and then the number. So Amish, can you count this also?
1, 2, 3.
Yes. So where is number name 3 here? Okay, match it. Good. So can you match here also with number 3?
Yes.
Match this number name with 3. Good job. Right, so like this you can complete this worksheet. Now let's move to our next worksheet. In the same way you can do all other number names as well. So this is our next worksheet. This is also like a matching activity here. I have drawn some images here, and here I have written the number names, right? So child just have to first see this is which number name it is, Amish?
4.
4, right. So can you find where is 4 images in this row? Where are 4 images? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, where are 4? Can you find number 4? 4 images here. Or you can do it in another way. First you can ask the child to count this side, right? So Amish, can you count this one?
Yes.
Yes. How many squares are there? Can you count? Speak up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes. So can you find where is 9?
Okay. There is
9.
9. Okay.
Yeah.
There it is.
Very nice. So can you match it with this, because these are 9 objects? Match them?
Okay.
Yes. Match it with 9. Good job. Now can you do count the stars?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. So can you find where is number name 6 here? 6.
6. Okay. Here it is.
Yes. Match it with the stars. 6.
6.
Yeah. Match it with the stars, love. Good job. So like this you can complete this worksheet as you have seen. First you can ask the child to count these images, and accordingly he has to match with the number names, right? So now let's move to our next worksheet. What happened now? Want to match it also? Fine. Match it. Good job. Can we move to next worksheet now? Okay. Right, so here as you could see, it's a unscramble names, right? So here I have written some number names, but they are in random orders. These are not the actual spellings of the number names. So Amish, what you are supposed to do, it is 1, right? So Mama has written a wrong number name spelling. Can you write a correct one here? Yes, write down. What is the number name spelling of 1?
O,
Yes,
N,
yes. Near it. Yes, here. Mm-hmm. Fine. So, can you write which number is this?
yes.
Which number is this, love?
2.
2. Is it a correct number name spelling of 2? Yes or no?
No.
So, can you write the correct number name spelling of 2 here? Write down 2.
2.
Yes.
T,
Yes.
W,
Make the sleeping line of T. Yes. Now, next is
W,
very nice. Next one.
O,
Very nice. After this, our next worksheet is about word search. So here I have written some words in random order as per the number name spellings, and here either below I have written the number names. So Amish, what you have to do is first you have to find this O-N-E
1.
1. Yes, find out where it is O-N-E. Encircle it. Next. Next.
Next.
You can ask the child to complete this worksheet. Initially, you can give the child to by writing the number names here. Later on, as per the practice, you can give him like this. As you could see, our daily practice worksheets here, I have written Number one, not O-N-E, one, right? So you can do this practice also with your child in the same way of word search. Next worksheet is about missing numbers. Here I have written the number names and I have put some blanks here. So child just have to fill in the blanks. So Amish, can you tell me what will come here to make it one?
N.
Okay, write down nicely. Very nice. And what is going to come here?
T.
Very good. Nicely. Okay, now what comes? This you can complete this worksheet, right? So now let's move to our next worksheet. So here, as you could see, it's like circle the correct spelling. So at here I have written spellings which some of them are correct, some are of incorrect. So wait Amish. So child just have to find out the correct spelling. So is it this one is correct one or this is correct one?
This one.
Okay, circle it. Fine. So here are two number names. This is correct number name 2 or this is correct number name 2? Okay. Fine. So same goes for 3. Is this correct number name 3 or is this correct number name 3?
This one.
Yes. Good job. To complete this worksheet, yes. So now let's move to our last worksheet. So Amish, this is our last worksheet. Here you can simply ask the child to trace the numbers, right? So here I have written the numbers in dotted form. So child just have to trace all of them. So Amish, can you trace it? Okay, trace nicely, love. So like this, you can ask the child to complete this worksheet by tracing the dotted number names. Actually, this is a very nice way to teach spellings to your child. You just give them in dotted form those spellings which you want him to learn, and they will trace it and they will really learn it by doing so. So if this video is helpful to you in some way of teaching number names or spellings of number names, then please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and please share it with your friends and family. And so thanks for watching.